Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Julissa. So my hair is very straight today, very sleek, and I don't usually start my hair like this, just like very straight and very sleek. I usually just end the video like this. Today I am just so excited because I'm gonna try out a hair tool that literally comes out today. Like, how did I get my hands on it before it being on the market? Like, that's just crazy. So I'm super excited because Calista actually sent this to me. This is the Zen Waver, and this literally just launched, and I am one of the first people to try it out. Now, this isn't a sponsored video. I just want to make that clear. They just sent this to me to try it out, and I will be completely honest with you guys. And no matter what, you guys already know I am always honest with my videos, even if they're sponsored or not. I'm just always very honest. So I have not tried this out. This is going to be a first impressions. I'm going to try it out here in my channel with you guys. So the packaging is adorable. I love it. It has like some flowers. I love the colors, and so this looks like a rose. It looks very cute. So woohoo. Let's open this. Ooh, how gorgeous. It has 4 different heat settings: 302 degrees Fahrenheit, 338, 374, and 410. This color is beautiful. It's kind of like a pink, a very light pink. It looks so cute. It really is a cute tool. So let's get right into it. Let's try it out and let's see how this works. So let's take actually just a section from the front so it's easier to see. And I'm guessing you're gonna do it away from the face. So for this side, I'm gonna do the right side. So let's see, is it still warming up? Oh, and if you click this right here, it moves the heat setting. So it's blinking, so I guess it's still warming up. So I'm gonna give it some time. I'm just gonna do the heat setting 410, just because I want to see what this does. Like, I just want to see what happens when I use this. I want to see what type of curl I get, and I think 410 should be a good heat for me. So I'm just gonna try that. It's still blinking, so I guess it's still warming up. It's kind of hard to get the hair in here. Okay, so I'm having trouble getting my hair in here. How do I, like that? Let's try it. Okay. Okay. So does it make a sound or something when it's done? Oh. Oh! Wow. That's so nice. Oh my god. Wow, look at that curl. That's like the perfect curl right there. Whoa, and it looks so shiny, but I feel like I didn't do it right. So it says here in the instructions, I'm so glad I have instructions because there's a lot of things that you have to keep in mind. So I have the heat setting 410 for thick, coarse, and resistant texture. So since the heat setting is 410, I have to hold the button for 10 seconds. So the thing that is confusing me a little bit is just how to place this. So I see that she's going like this, and then you put the hair like in here, I guess, like this. Okay, there you go. So then I click the left or the right? Left? I'll try left. Okay, let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Okay, so I did it on to the other side now, but it looks really cool. So I definitely left it for a little bit more seconds the first time because you can see it looks curlier. But okay, so I did left. I should have done right. So let's do the right side. The right, yeah. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Ooh, okay. Yeah, that's really, really nice. Let's try this. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Kind of look like if it got a little bit knotted, but let's see. Okay. See, it didn't even like make a knot or anything, and I thought it was gonna like break my hair, but no, like look at that. Super soft curl. Okay, I'm really, really liking this. Oh, see, it does beep. I guess it reached like the max time. Yeah, so I guess it does beep. I kind of wish I could do bigger sections, but kind of can't, because then it won't curl your hair. That's very nice. Okay, I'm gonna try this side actually. I'm gonna try doing this side. But as you can see, there's definitely a big difference. Like it is curly. I do feel like this one is falling a little bit, but the curls, they look cute. They look very soft. Let's try this section of hair. Okay, I'm gonna do the left side, the left button. Oh, why is it doing that? Am I taking too much hair? I don't think I'm doing this right, guys. Wow. It looks cute. It looks cute. Did I curl it to the right side though? I think I did. Yeah, I did curl it to the right side. Yeah. Oh, that's so pretty. There you go. Okay, I figured it out. I figured it out. For the right side, you do the left button. For the left side, you do the right button. So you do the opposite for each side. I know that sounds a little bit confusing, but I think I'm gonna get the hang of it. And if you practice, you should be able to get the hang of it. And I really like how my curls turn out. So this is my right side. So I'm going to do the left button. I'm just gonna let it beep because my hair is very thick, and can you see that right there? It's like away from the face. I love that curl. That's beautiful. So I guess you can say that this is the final look. I really, really like how it turns out. Guys, I do feel like the curls are kind of falling. I'm gonna run my fingers through my curls just to see how they look. But as you can see, this is like almost straight again, and that's just so weird because I have very, very, very curly hair. So I find it very interesting that it's not staying. But you see how beautiful that is? That's such a nice curl. Like I want it to stay like that forever. But yeah, as you can see, this already is starting to look straight. Like I want my waves to stay. Like I don't want them to get straight again, you know what I mean? But my curls are looking fantastic at the moment. I just wish that they could stay like this. I mean, maybe if you put some hairspray, you should be fine. But I just like it when the curls last no matter what, even without any products on top. So I brought my Tangle Teaser because I wanted to see how the curls would look after I brush them out. But I don't know if I should do that because I don't want my curls to fall even more. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to do just one side just to show you guys what it looks like. Ooh, wow, look at that. Ooh, it looks like Hollywood curls. Ooh, I love that. I love that. Oh yeah. That is so nice. Oh yeah, I like that even better. it gives you like this like Hollywood vibe. You guys see that? Ooh, yes, love it. But you guys can totally see the difference, right? This side is without the brush, and then this is with the brush. I'm gonna just brush this side too. Ooh, that's beautiful. Wow, I really like that. I really like that. Wow. So guys, I'm gonna do a word test because I already know that's what you guys want. I can like hear it. I can hear you guys telling me right now that you want me to do a word test, because you guys are probably thinking, are my curls gonna last long or not? So right now it is 4:15, and I'm gonna come in maybe in like an hour or two, or the end of the day. So yeah guys, I'll be back in a couple of hours and I'll let you guys know if my hair lasted or not. Hey guys, I am back and it's been about 2 hours. It is 6:40. As you can see, my hair actually still looks really nice. Like, I thought my curls were gonna fall right away, and I guess they fall a little bit, but not completely. I mean, at least not for 2 hours. I feel like by now I would have noticed if they would have fallen or not, like if they would have gotten straight again. It kind of looks just how I left it a little bit, maybe just a little bit poofier, but I don't think that has anything to do with the tool. I think it's just my hair gets poofy no matter what. It's so funny because my brother actually complimented my hair. He was like, what did you do to your hair today? Whatever you did to your hair, it looks very nice, it looks very different, and keep doing it because it looks great. So just wanted to add that in there. So I'm so glad that I did the wear test, because that just convinced me even more that this is a good hair tool. This is really good and I really like this. So yeah, excellent hair tool. You just gotta get used to it. You gotta practice a lot, because the first couple times you might get a little confused, but you just gotta get the hang of it and keep practicing and you should be just fine. So my battery is dying, so I just wanted to tell you guys that if you like this video, make sure you give it a big thumbs up. Also, don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on your post notifications so you can get notified every time I upload a video. And I love you guys. Mwah. If you liked this video, then I'm sure you're gonna like these videos as well, so make sure you go ahead and check out those videos. Bye guys, love you.